Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I'd like to show you some of my new diamond painting pens. They came from a company called Recordarme or R&ME. So you can see them there. They've got an Amazon shop now on amazon.co.uk. They've also got the usual socials, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And I don't know if you'll be able to scan either of those, but those are their QR codes if you want quick access to their Amazon shops. So the first pen, this is absolutely gorgeous. So they come really nicely packaged. We also get 2 big plates of wax. We get a 10 placer, the nice narrow one. You get a 7 placer, again the nice narrow design, and a huge straightener. So that's really good. Let me just show you this pen up close and then I will give you some of the details. Let's see if I can. So hopefully you can see the sparkle there. I'm trying to get it in the light for you. So it's got that gorgeous amber gold colour, and then as we come round we've got the deep amethyst purple, always with that glitter in it. This comes already fitted with a 4 placer and a single placer, and these can be obviously swapped out for any of the ones that you've already got or the ones that come with it. Yeah, really lovely. Let me just give you the price for that one. So that is £8.59 on Amazon. I got it on Prime, and it arrived the very next day with free shipping. So yeah, really pleased with that one. There were so many, I had trouble choosing. But again, you get the same bits and bobs. But this one was something a little bit different to anything I already had. So there we go, we've got that lovely glitter effect in there. And then it's this gorgeous sort of rose quartz colour. Really pretty. Again, same places and bits and bobs, as I said. So that one is a little more expensive at £10.70. But I will put up some pictures of the other sort of colours that they offer. There's quite a lot, both different shapes that you may find nice for holding, and also different finishes. They are resin. I think they're really lovely. They've got, this one is lighter, but it's also slightly slimmer, so you'd sort of expect that. This is a lighter one than this one, but yeah, they are very nice. I can definitely see me purchasing more. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you today. I'm really happy with these. I think they're going to become regular pens in my rotation. So there we have it. If you would like to pop over to their Amazon store or find them on Facebook, Instagram, check out their stuff and do let me know if you've tried them. I always love to hear other people's opinions of the companies and the products that I'm trialing. So do let me know. Thank you for watching the video today. Do consider subscribing, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.